It is judgment day in the suit challenging the Naira redesign policy of the federal government. And as expected, the main courtroom of the Supreme Court is filled with lawyers and the governors of Kaduna, Kogi, and Zamfara states. The three governors had instituted the suit challenging the policy. As at the last sitting on February the 22nd, a total of 16 states who applied to be joined were consolidated. They prayed the apex court to set aside the policy on the ground that it was inflicting hardship on Nigerians. Delivering judgment, Justice Emmanuel Agim held that the unconstitutional use of powers by President Muhammadu Buhari on the policy has breached the fundamental rights of Nigerians. He further states that the president failed to consult with the National Council of States, the Federal Executive Council, and the National Economic Council before directing the Central Bank of Nigeria to introduce the new Naira notes. Citing Section 23, subsection 2 of the Constitution, the court holds that a dispute between the Federation and states must involve law or facts. The court further held that implementation of the directive by the Central Bank of Nigeria has deprived the plaintiffs access to their funds, and the president's broadcast of the 15th of February acknowledges this, and this has affected the governance of these states. The apex court further holds that the president in his broadcast admitted that the policy is flawed with a lot of challenges. The apex court held that President Muhammadu Buhari breached the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in the way he issued directives for the redesigning of the Naira by the Central Bank of Nigeria.
We came to the Supreme Court to make Nigeria better. And by this judgment, no future president or central bank governor can come and announce a policy that ambushes the lives and the livelihoods of the Nigerian people anymore. We are very proud of what we have done, no matter what people say about us. But now that the Supreme Court has spoken unequivocally, I am confident that all the orders will be complied with.
Today's judgment is on behalf of all the people of Nigeria. It's not just the states that have won. It's on behalf of all the people of Nigeria who have been made to go through misery, pain.
The counsel to the federal government is optimistic that the order will be obeyed.
The Supreme Court has spoken. We cannot sit in judgment over the Supreme Court. I expect the CBN to comply. I expect the President to comply. We are a nation under law. The Supreme Court has spoken, and we are bound.
The court adds that the President's disobedience of the February 8 order is a sign of dictatorship and autocracy.